Hello guys, so this is my pre-analysis that I've done. Uh, I'm going to do short-term sells for reason why. Even though I see the 1 hour is downtrend of this area to this area of this level. So let's get into it. So I got into it. I just saw this area of the pressure, but the result is downward, so it's already down. So that's very simple from there. And now I'm going to move forward in a 4 hours. Before I do that, I have this last buyer over here, and it broke out from this area. So this is the trap. So the lot, maybe that one's a trap or not the trap. Okay, sorry about that. So this the one is a trap, but the hole is so short. um Anyways, I will count of that here, but anyway, that's still a hole from there. So now I see is the P from this area, and there's a level from the top from this area. So I'm waiting for come back. However, how is the buyer is going to come back? I'm waiting for this area as S, and also waiting for the market to do something down here, and then yeah, break down and go down from this area, on this level. And this definitely I'm going to do a low risk of money management from there. So let me throw this back in. Too much drawing going on. Yeah. Oh, oh no. Okay, cool. So this it will be the spot from that area. It's because it's broke, so this is the seller territory, and waiting for the S over here, depending on how to move in it. So uh there we go. So from there, okay, from this area I couldn't see. There's a level of this area for this much. I am still careful about it to this area, and I know this a buyer came very strong. So careful about it, but if I do get a chance to go down from it, but right now in the present time, this is what I see, and I'm going down to the daily, and also it is so choppy from this area. So for that 4 hour, it got me very curious. What is this area of this whole thing here? Here it looked like it broke down. So cool. Make it simple, and the volume is even out. Okay, so my other analysis, I'm going up with another time frame. Now I'm seeing more clear. It is a uptrend in this area. So it's 1, 2, and 3. So in 3, so this area, so I felt that in 1 hour, I say that I wrote began to pull back. So begin to pull back. Why I want to do the short-term sell? Because there's still this area of this gap down here that what I put to take it down for a short term, but very low risk for money management, and be out from this area. Uh, no, not be out that area. So take it down to over here, and I'm out from this area from here. I'll try to take away my drawing. Let's go back here. Bam. Okay, good. Yeah, so I draw a level here. For now, it's a very short term, and I'm not very aware of that level. So if they do some P and then S, it'll be great to take it back up. But right now, it's a short term sell for now, and also of that because the yen that I did a correlation. Why I want to do a short-term sell for correlation? Because in 1 hour of the yen, everything is showing is down on that area. So super confident of that to take it down for, let's see, don't worry about that, it's supposed to be plus and plus. So all the yen is going down, and yeah, that's why I wanted to do a short sell, very short, not too crazy. So that's basic. That's my analysis from here. Let's go back to the US. Bam.